810, we have emergency standby. Going on the 220 heading.
Rhoades Express 810, radar contact, fly heading of 100 to Giant Victor 2, resume navigation.
820 has emergency, going to 220 heading, standby.
UPS 2964, we cannot comply with the last zone.
UPS 2964, have you no problem, you've got the full length.
Thank you.
Rhoades Express 809, cleared visual approach runway 4 right. Number 2, caution, wait, turbulence behind a heavy MD-11 short funnel, runway 4 right, clear to land, change my frequency 118.1.
Rhoades Express 809, 4 right, clear to land, clear for visual, with you 18-1, Rhoades 809.
Rhoades Express 810, radar contact, turn left, heading...
Rhoades 810, radio check, how do you read?
Rhoades Express 810, loud and clear, how do you hear? Turn left, heading 180.
Okay, Rhoades 810, we've lost an engine. We are on the 220 heading.
Now I say again, heading 240.
Okay, 240 heading Rhoades 810.
No, Rhoades 809, Rhoades 809, left 240.
240 now, Rhoades 809.
Rhoades Express 810, you're cleared visual approach runway 4 right, you can turn in towards the airport.
Okay, Rhoades 810, we're going to have to run a checklist if we can get a delay vector. And I'll let you know when we're ready to come into the airport.
Heading and just keep me advised and maintain 2000 if that's the altitude you'd like.
Okay, 2000 is good for now. We'll stay around 15 miles from the airport. And maintaining 2000, Rhoades 810.
Capture the parking via Charlie.
To parking via Charlie, UPS 2964, heavy.
And Rhoades Express 809, can you make the turn back in now to the airport? Company's not coming in quite yet.
Okay, we are coming back towards the airport, heading 360 now, Rhoades Express 809.
Rhoades Express 809, you're still cleared for the visual approach to runway 4 right, clear to land.
4 right, clear to land, Rhoades 809.
And Rhoades Express 810, when you get a chance, can I get, the nature of the emergency, I know you said an engine out, which one, how many souls on board and fuel?
Okay, all that is good. We'll give you all that in a little bit, Rhoades 810.
You're ready.
Rhoades 810.
Rhoades Express 810, hello, Tower.
Yeah, we can take the 10 to the right, towards the airport. We're not ready to land yet, though.
Rhoades Express 810, fly heading of 250.
250, Rhoades 810. And Rhoades 810 would like to come to the airport now.
Rhoades Express 810, roger, confirm you still have the airport in sight, turn right.
Negative.
Rhoades Express 810, turn right, heading 020, confirm you still have the airport in sight.
Negative, we don't have the airport, Rhoades 810, 020.
Rhoades Express 810, fly heading of 020, and would you like to intercept the localizer, or do you want vectors?
Vectors straight to the airport. We might let the other thing.
40.
Say again, Rhoades 810.
040, heading Rhoades Express 810.
040, roger, Rhoades 810.
And Rhoades Express 810, is it 2 souls on board, and also how much fuel remaining?
Rhoades 810, standby.
810, fly heading of 050.
050, Rhoades Express 810.
Rhoades Express 809, I need you to roll all the way to the end, please. All the way to the end, turn right and hold short of runway 8 left on Charlie. Rhoades Express 809, hold short of runway 8 left on Charlie. Rhoades Express 809, I'm not hearing anything. Hold short of runway 8 left on Charlie.
Hold short runway 8 left on Charlie, Rhoades Express 809.
Thank you. Law 56, runway 8 left, cleared for takeoff.
8 left, clear for takeoff, Law 56.
Okay, Rhoades 810, situation we've lost number 1, an engine. And we're coming straight to the airport. We're going to need the fire department. There's a chance we're going to lose the other engine too. It's running very hot. And speed is, we're pretty low on the speed. Doesn't look good out here. You might want to let the Coast Guard know as well. And we don't have any hazmat. And fuel is about 2 hours of fuel.
And Rhoades Express 810, how many people are on board?
2 of us.
Rhoades Express 810, roger. Do you have the airport in sight? Rhoades Express 810, do you have the airport in sight?
Negative.
Oh, and Rhoades Express 810, low altitude alert. Low altitude alert. Are you able to climb at all?
No, negative.
Rhoades Express 810, roger. Proceed direct to the airport and you are cleared to land any runway.
We need a heading.
Rhoades Express 810, heading 060.
060.
Rhoades Express 810, the trucks are rolling.
You want to let the Coast Guard know as well?
Say that again?
Can you let the Coast Guard know? We can maintain altitude.
We will. Rhoades Express 809, cross runway, left taxi to parking.
Cross 8 left taxi parking, Rhoades Express 809.
Rhoades Express 810, the Coast Guard is on their way.
Thank you very much, appreciate it.
And Rhoades Express 810, if you want to land 8 right, if you can get to the runway, any runway, you are clear to land. Rhoades Express 810, if you can get to runway 8 right or Kalaeloa, do you want Kalaeloa?
I'd like the closest airport runway, please.
Kalaeloa Airport is 3 miles north of you, off here 9 to 10 o'clock. Can you get that, Rhoades Express 810? It's to your left, about 3 miles northwest of you.
Okay, give me a heading.
Rhoades Express 810, the airport is about a 310 heading from you.
310, thank you.
And Tower Aloha 56, level 5000.
Aloha 56, sorry about that. Your radar contact, proceed direct Molokai, climb maintain 16,000.
16,000, direct Molokai, Aloha 56.
Rhoades Express 810, the lights may need to be on 132.6. They may be pilot controlled. Rhoades Express 810. Rhoades Express 810, Honolulu Tower. Aloha 56, climb maintain 16,000.
Climb maintain 16,000, Aloha 56.
Chief 2, Honolulu Tower.
I was trying to call you on ground. Is ground out?
No, I was kind of busy.
Understand. Do you have a status update on this aircraft?
Chief 2, yeah, it looks like they went down in the water about 2 miles southeast of Kalaeloa.
Understand. 2 miles southeast of Kalaeloa.